Hey guys, it's Handy Darling DIY. I come to you today outside from my garden that I am working on. You can see it's still a lot of dirt. I've got some plants that still need planting, but today I want to show you the edging that I really like. You can buy this rubber product either at Lowe's or Home Depot. They both have a variation, but I wanted to show you today how to put it together a little easier using the drill. So now I'm going to use my 1/4 inch drill bit to drill a hole in each one of these, as well as on these ends. All right, so a couple of hints. Do this outside because it makes a mess. The rubber kind of, crumbles and goes everywhere. I did use my rubber mallet to put the connector pieces in. Still be careful because I still broke one. So just be gentle. I do try to put this one in as far as it can go, because then you have to connect it to the other piece. So that's kind of how that works. So I will show you the rest of it. Okay, you can see I've got them kind of laid out. Do make sure you don't make the mistake of putting the connectors in the same ends that are going to butt up against each other. So make sure that they're always on the same end, opposite ends as you put them together. So I've got mine laid out, and I'm going to go ahead and connect those. Okay, so I got them connected. I did try to make sure that the connector pieces were as far in to the one that was they were already in, as far in as I could get them to do this and then do this part. Sometimes it's still hard. Sometimes you might need your rubber mallet. A couple of them I did still use the drill again just to make it a little bit wider. So I've got them connected, got them kind of laid out the way I want them right now, and then I'm going to stake them. So one of the other reasons I really like this is because the grass can actually grow right up to it, and you can use the lawnmower right beside it. So I've got them in several beds around the house, and I really like them. So try your drill if you try this product, just so you don't get frustrated trying to put it together. So there is your hack for today. I hope y'all have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe to Handy Darling DIY. Bye.